What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, we are discussing a new hack that one of our Facebook group members shared with us on a way to double your income as an Uber and a Lyft driver. So this is a new strategy that he's using, and he shared it in our Facebook group. So you want to make sure you join our Facebook group so you don't miss out on these types of tricks. Now, I did want to thank our video sponsor, Work Solo. So Solo is the business app for drivers. They help drivers optimize income, track mileage, and guarantee your pay. So if you have an active Uber or Lyft or any gig working account that's on this list right here, you can get $10 simply by signing up with our link below, and they're actually gonna send you $10 by linking your gig account. So link any of your active accounts, they'll send you your 10 bucks. And you can start qualifying for this guaranteed pay. The Rideshare Guy is partnered with them and a lot of other people, and yeah, they're really awesome. So they're actually expanding. So they have a free version nationwide. You can sign up and get started just anywhere in the United States at least. But let's get started with the Uber hack. So like I said, this comes from our Uber driver Facebook group. This comes from a guy named Braxton Ford. He shared this basically trick on how to make a buttload of money. I almost said the SH word, but remember, we're PG here. Keep things family friendly. How to make a ton of money doing Uber and Lyft. He said, this gon' blow y'all mind. This gon' blow y'all mind. Make sure to turn Uber app off when they start sending you small orders. So if you drive for Uber, you know, you get those little tiny rides. You don't want to take them. This is what he says. He said, turn your app off. Here's why. The algorithm system is based off hourly. So if you maxed out, let's say $30 hourly, or you're close to it, they will send you small orders. So he's basically saying, it's like the game 21, you know, you gotta hit that 21 mark. He's saying that if you start getting close to $30 hourly, they're gonna start sending you small orders in order to basically offset those longer rides to people who, you know, haven't hit that $30 hour mark. He said, this is an hourly gig, you're not getting paid by the mile. Anyways, when you reset the app to off, it starts a new algorithm system. That's how you can get back to bigger orders to maximize your time and be online less. So, very interesting theory here. Again, I don't know how Braxton knows that it's on an hourly algorithm system. I did not know that, but maybe he is a mobile mechanic. He works at Entrepreneur, and he's a mechanic. So he knows a lot about cars. He went to Ball State University. I don't know that school, but you know, it's a university. So maybe he knows. 20 people interacted, 59 comments. So Leland says, I don't make 30 an hour to begin with. So there's that. He said, I know, it was an example for the hourly rate changes throughout the day. Justin says it doesn't work that way. Jim says, you can't know that. Braxton said, do I gotta start breaking these numbers down for y'all to believe me? I do Uber every day. So he knows, I guess he's got the screenshots to prove it. We would love to see those screenshots, Braxton. If you could hit me up and send me those screenshots, I'd love to do a full breakdown video with you. Pat says, I'm sure you know how to beat the massive team of mathematics at Uber. Victoria said, I'm glad Uber Black or Lyft Black Lux doesn't go by that. I don't believe this is true. Sorry to tell you, we are on an hourly base rate. So yeah, he's really determined to say that that we're all on an hourly base rate. He said, I tried Uber Premier or whatever it is. I rented the Tesla and I was able to confirm all this stuff. So I'm not just some guru talking. I actually drive every day with a gross of $1,400 to $2,000 a week. So he makes around $100,000 a year. That's crazy. Uber Premier pays pennies compared to Uber Black. A luxury SUV brings in way more than a Tesla. You don't have to drive every day and can make $2,000 easily. I drive in several markets and I'm different states. It's not accurate. So yeah, even this girl makes $2,000 a week. So she's making, this chick here, Victoria Johnson, she's making $100,000 a year doing Uber. That's crazy. A lot of people are getting super rich doing Uber. That's why you gotta subscribe to the show, because we're all about talking about a ton of money. Just on Uber alone, I haven't figured out Lyft yet. I was online for 1,000 hours and made $38,000 in 2022. So I averaged 33 bucks an hour and plus all my cash tips. And I make more per hour on Lyft than I do on Uber alone. I average 40 to 50 bucks an hour on Lyft. So let's do some quick calculations here. Let me pull up my calculator app. So if he makes 50 bucks an hour, let's just say he's driving 70 hours a week, which is, you know, what, 10 hours a day, 7 days a week, times 10. So he's making $3,500 per week, And if he's doing that every single week, he's pulling in 182 grand. So he's on Lyft, you know, potentially making 182 grand. I mean, he's in Buffalo. He is in New York, so $180,000 a year is crazy money, guys. Brian, obviously you got to take in gas costs though. Brian says new, but that's not, and mileage tracking as well. Gotta make sure you sign up for Solo. Link below, get your 10 bucks. You want to make sure, oh yeah, by the way, Solo, the guaranteed pay feature has expanded to so many new areas. So if you haven't signed up recently, go check that you can maybe get that guaranteed pay feature. Drivers are making a ton of extra money with the guaranteed pay feature. But again, they do have a nationwide version where you can get signed up for free. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video there. Check out Solo, link below, and get your $10 by signing up and linking your gig account. You guys are great. We'll talk to you soon. And let me know, do you think that this is how Uber works with the hourly pay system, or is this guy basically wrong? I want to hear from you guys, and you better have the proof to prove it, because Braxton Bufford says he does have the screenshots. He said, I got to start breaking these numbers down for you. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated if he does send screenshots. If you're not interested, let me know too. Bye now.